In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice search in the Perplexity app on iPhone. If you prefer talking instead of typing, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to ask questions with your voice and get answers fast. Start by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. You'll land on the main screen with the search bar at the top. Right next to that bar, you'll see a small microphone icon. That's your shortcut to voice search. Go ahead and tap the microphone. The first time you use it, your iPhone may ask for permission to use the microphone. This is a standard iOS privacy prompt that appears whenever an app wants to record audio. To continue, tap Allow. Granting access only lets the app listen while you're recording your question, and it's required for voice input to work. If the mic doesn't activate immediately after you allow access, give it a moment. It will switch on as the app prepares to listen. Once the microphone is active, bring the phone close enough to your mouth and speak your question clearly at a normal pace. Aim for a quiet environment, avoid covering the bottom edge of your iPhone where the microphone sits, and keep your phrasing concise. Natural, complete sentences usually produce better transcriptions. You might say, explain photosynthesis in simple terms, or find the best Italian restaurants near me. If you're mentioning tricky names or places, pronounce them clearly and avoid rushing. When you're done, just stop talking. In many cases, the app will detect that you've finished and wrap up the recording automatically. If you prefer a more deliberate finish, tap the checkmark or submit button on the screen to end your recording right away. Either method works, so choose whichever feels more comfortable. Perplexity will immediately transcribe your voice into text and launch the search for you. You don't need to press anything else. In a moment, you'll see the results appear, along with a neatly formatted answer. This hands-free flow is great when you're multitasking or simply want to move faster than typing allows. If the transcription doesn't match what you said, just try again with a slightly slower pace or simpler wording. That's all there is to it. Open the app, tap the mic, allow access if prompted, speak your question, and finish by pausing or tapping submit. The app handles the transcription and search automatically, so you get fast, accurate results without typing. Give it a try a few times to find your rhythm, and you'll be using voice search like a pro in no time. Enjoy exploring with your voice.